This video is gonna save your life. Hey my bro and sister, it's Isaac here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The skincare content just come back to this video. And I know some of you have the same questions. Why K-pop idol have the perfect skin always? Oh my god, why their skin so perfect? Why? 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 Hey pretty.
Yes?
You want perfect skin?
진짜야?
I will show you my secret how to get the perfect skin.
What?
Let's go. Hey guys, I need your support. Subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell. Thank you for support. Your skin need moisturize. Moisturize? What do you mean, Isaac? For example, like BTS, Xiaomi, Jet Somewhere, they are following their skincare routine to giving the skin moisturize.
Put your moisturizer. Put it on your face.
To moisturize the hell out of everywhere. It's amazing.
How about you? And of course, I use the skincare product every day to give my skin moisturize. Have you ever thinking about you can get the perfect skin with the facial massage? You can use the solution from the paper mask or the moisturizer, just massage each part for 1 minute. Facial exercise is so effective for improve your skin and also the better face shape. So that's why my skin looks so perfect always. So that's why you can see so many Korean idol and the actor, they have the perfect skin. Isaac have the perfect skin too. Am I K-pop idol? Am I? That's really sad. I'm not the idol. I'm the idiot.
You suck!
That's really sad. And you know, most of them still have the perfect skin when they getting old.
안녕하세요, 이영애입니다.
안녕하세요. 많이 홍홍홍.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful life. 아야, 그 볼까요?
저기요.
Hello, yeah, I go to school by bus. Haha. If you have the skin, then you need a skincare routine. Don't be lazy, guys.
Okay.
Moisturizing is very important.
And don't forget, your body need moisturize too. Yeah, I'm talking about drink water. Drink water have so many benefits to our skin. 60% skin cells are made from the water. Amazing, right? Drink water improve the blood circulations and help boost the metabolism, help remove the harmful substances from your body. Cheers. I hate water. I know, you don't like it. It's alright. I just wanna say your skin will have so many problems when you don't drink enough water. What the fuck? Yeah, it was me. I had the oily skin, also the pimple and the acne. And also you will have the dull skin and the dry skin. Oh my gosh, it look really bad. Oh my gosh, I'm not mean to you. I'm just talking about the reality. I'm so sorry. It looks so bad. And now you can tell moisturize is so important to our skin, right? Let's drink water and use the skincare product. Never too late. You can be better. Sounds good, Isaac.
Okay.
Good kid. Come on guys, no pain, no gain. Nowadays the gym is so popular because everyone looking for the better body shape, right? And do you know, exercise is the key for the perfect skin? NANI? And most of us just got the wrong concept. When you do the weight training, this is the aerobic exercise. It helps for gain muscles. If you're looking for the perfect skin, then you need aerobic exercise. For example, like snow running, yeah, this is the aerobic exercise. Make you sweat and promote the removal of toxins from your body, of course, including your skin. And working out tones your skin, improve the blood circulations and oxygenation to the skin, and so imparts a healthy glow. It is so work for wrinkles, fine line, and sagging skin. Nice water. That's why cardio is so important. Never skip it. It is time to go. If you're still here, congratulations, you are the lucky one. Almost everyone have the extra facial hair. Yeah, I'm talking about ladies and gentlemen. Just depends on how much extra facial hair on your face. Honestly, when you have the extra hair around your face will look so dull and also you will look darker. Have you ever seen any K-pop idol like Blackpink, BTS, they with the facial hair? Have you ever seen Lisa with the facial hair? No way! Jungkook with the facial hair? No way! They will shave it. NANI? Because they need to look nice with the camera. They will not tell you that what is the before look like because they are the idol. This is the logic. Including me, I shave my extra facial hair always. Nice and clean, awesome. And now you can see my skin, it looks so much better after I shaved the extra facial hair.
You know, I'm so busy. Fucking busy.
Hey, just do it. What are you waiting for? What skin tone you have, just shave the extra facial hair. Finally, you will feel your skin will look so perfect after you shave it. Looks so good, right?
In the new generation, everyone just busy for work.
And the work just insane. We just sleep so late and wake up so early. And of course, most of us don't sleep in love. NANI? You know, your skin will getting worse when you lack of sleep. Your skin situation will totally look so much different. I know life is not easy, but can you sleep more? Can you take a rest? Just love yourself. Please sleep more. I wish you guys have the perfect skin. And if you have any experience about how to have the perfect skin, just comment below, let's discuss together. And if you want to check out more skincare routine content on my YouTube channel, just go to there later. Yeah, that's all for today and see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. Why? It's not Isaac. Oh my gosh, my audience gonna unsubscribe.
Why? They have the perfect skin. Why? Can you tell me why? Isaac? Isaac, can you tell me why? Oh my gosh, my hair!
Isaac 數以前好嘔心覺得我自己條街邊啊，睇唔到添，由佢啦。係好似蘇黑啲啊。I should shave this hair。我應該睇翻啲架底毛啊，啲架底毛有啲長啲。